you can really hear how the moment the distortion channel of the bass disappears, there's like a hole in the middle of the mix, and the guitars, they just like sort of, they don't really fall apart, it's not to that extent, but they lose that bridge in between. And yeah, so don't underestimate your distortion. Don't overdo it either, unless you do like very like pissed off metalcore, then sure, go for it, go all the way. But like this is something like between rock and metal, so easy distortion, but definitely super important. And the thing is, now when we listen to the whole thing together, obviously I did treat the DI a bit more than Let's listen to it with the guitars, so bass and guitars. Yeah, so